first thing first, I own many t-shirts. This is not the only one. Plus, a lot of my stuff looks like this, okay? So, I do shower, I do change clothes, and except for the fact that I'm not having that much hair in my head left, I do try to shower frequently. Whatever. Bad intro, Remus. Bad intro. Do not do this ever again. Cool. Stick back to the subject. I was watching Undercover Billionaire Season 2, Grant Cardone. I mean, my brain just, I have a huge fog on my brain right now. I can't recall the ladies' names. One is Elaine. Can't really recall the other one. Anyway, great ladies, great businesses. One has a venture capital firm, the other has a real estate company, so pretty cool. But obviously, like my man GC, he's in there killing it. I watched the show mainly for him, to be honest, because I love that guy. I love his energy behind everything he does, and this is what this video is all about, basically being energetic and passionate about what you're doing. I'm not saying that in a manner of like, I don't know, being like super pumped up all the time, like you're on drugs and stuff like that. Even for the most annoying things, no, but like be focused and goal driven when you're energetic. So, for example, I will not just run around this room for no reason. That's just, I don't know, I'll get tired at some point and I haven't achieved anything. But when it comes, for example, for a negotiation or I don't know, for driving sales into a store, just watch Undercover Billionaire and see how Grant did that. He was like super pumped. He was running all over the place, convincing people, hey, come to the store, come get that. So yeah, it is pretty cool to do that because positive energy attracts positive people, and except for that, everyone will like you for doing that. Again, did not associate this just, as I said, running around the room non-stop and just like I'm energetic but I'm not really doing anything. No, attach this energy to a goal and you'll see great results. I know this is a short video, but they're like short videos, long videos. I create those videos on topics you give me. So any other topic you'd like to see, I will be glad to make a video on, so leave it in the comments down below, and be that ClickFunnels business talks like this one or marketing on Facebook, I would be happily, no, it's just happy, Remus. Yeah, I'd be happy to help you out. So yeah, leave it in the comment down below and let's make some great online businesses, right? I mean, like that's all about like, I hope this is why you're here and not to scam people with pet rocks. I'm just saying.